Look at them all, they're so cute. All right, guys, let's go into the post office and get our new babies.
Okay.
Are you excited to get your baby chicks?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. They came in early. They weren't supposed to come until tomorrow, but they came early, so. All right, let's go see what they look like. Look at them all, they're so cute.
Can we touch them?
All right, we got our baby chicks. You can hear them in the background, I'm sure. They are peeping away. We've got to hurry and get them home because they're cold. They're all huddled together in that box, as you saw in the last clip. So we're gonna rush home, get them some water, and get the heat lamp on them so they can warm up.
Can we not open the box? Can we not touch them? Can we not touch them?
Just a minute.
Hello, baby chicks. Hello, baby chicks.
Don't touch them.
Don't touch them.
Let Mommy show you how to touch them softly, okay? I think they're really cold. Alright. So what we have to do is we have to give them a special drink of water before we put them in there. So Mommy's gonna really careful. Put their beak in the water. Got a drink.
Can we not kiss them on the head?
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that one did not get out.
Stay in. Can I not put it down? Why?
Hold on 1 second.
Can I help carry?
You want to hold one? Oh, good job. So you gotta hold it under its feet. Here, let Gracie hold this one. And you gotta hold over its back so it doesn't walk away. Where Mommy's hand is. Push too hard. You like it?
I like it.
You wanna hold it too?
Oh wow, its feet look so cute.
Oh, Gracie, let Mommy do it, okay? Let's... All right, now this is how you teach chicks to eat, okay? They usually have their mommies will teach them how to do it. So far, everybody's settling in good. We only have one that's kind of struggling, and it's this little one over here. If you'll watch it for a second, you'll see it can't really walk very well, and it's not really moving around so great. But hopefully, now that it's got a drink and in a nice warm box, it will perk up a little bit. We'll see. But there's the first farm editions. You can tell it's been a busy day when we have one sleeping baby, 2 kids finishing dinner, and then check this out. Almost all of them are asleep. They're so peaceful.